is a San Juan Car Company Jackson and Sharp coach for the Denver and Rio Grande or Rio Grande Southern. These are a fantastic kit. You get all the bits and pieces except they don't do the steps, so I've used Grant line steps there. The underbody, I've used their underbody parts, and we've got the underbody done there. The trucks fit onto the bolts perfectly, and allowing the KDs to fit in there and be at the exact height for On3. The covers, I've just drilled those out to take the screw to hold the KD in, so that's ready to go in there now. Turn this over. I've just painted this, and I've used Tuscan, Flocal Tuscan. That seems, under my artificial light on the layout, that's the colour that's going to look really good on that. And I've got thin filled decals to go on that there yet. The trucks, they are superb. I've used them on another coach as well, and to be able to put pickups, wipers on there sliding on these wheels to provide lighting for inside the coach is ideal. They are a great truck, and the detail on them is magnificent, and they roll so well. So that's it. I've done the roof. Now, the question is, I'm not sure about the colours that they had in some of the glass on these clustery windows. I've got the mesh in there, and that's, so I was thinking of doing a green in there just for myself, just to add a little bit of difference, because I'll be putting lighting in this, doing surface mount. So that's the coach, the roof. I've sprayed that Flocal grimy black, and that, again, that's a better colour under artificial light that I like looking at there. This is not a hard kit to build. The fit of every piece is absolutely perfect. So John Parker, when he designed this, did a magnificent job. So that's where we're up to at the moment there. I've built it so I can put a floor in there, and I'll do the chairs and that to the inside parts. I've just put the trucks on there so we can roll it back and forward, and just show it to you this way. The Tuscan on there, I yet to put a glaze on here so I can put the decals on. I've got to let this paint dry. That's only 3 hours old, that paint. The roof, these parts, the stacks and the vents, they come as a part. I've put those up on the web, on the groups before, of the different parts that you get from San Juan Company. All of this is now available from the San Juan Model Company in Colorado. So this used to be the San Juan Car Company, it's now the San Juan Model Company. Anybody wants to do this, these are not a hard kit, but they are superb in their crispness of their fit, and there's not much to tidy up when you're doing them. The roof is easily removed, and you really don't need to have, unless you're going to be handling the model often and you don't want to be dropping it or whatever, but you can just leave the roof off like this and have it on and run around, and if you need to do any work inside, you can do it. Let me just put that up there at the back for the moment. Inside, you have to do the floor, so there's no floor in there, so I just put a floor. But a floor will go in there, and then you can use the Grant line narrow gauge seats that can go inside there then. And as I was saying, when we're talking about the trucks, let's come down and get onto a truck closer. Now we can see what I'm talking about. Screen in. Not quite in focus. Let's come back out a bit. what you got room here, put a bit of printed circuit board and then wipers onto the back of the wheels. The wheels themselves are nice, even though they're painted. This outer edge part for contacting from the rail through, you put a wiper onto those to pick up. So they're absolutely ideal for picking up power, for doing internal lighting, and that's what I like about them there. Very good. I've just got to take the plastic, that can come out. And what I do when I'm doing the KDs, I get a very soft lead pencil and I run the lead pencil all over those surfaces of the KDs, and that gives it a dry lubrication. So using a pencil rather than using powder and throwing powder in there. So yeah, that gives it a nice smooth surface and easy for the KD to swing. That's just about it. All the parts that you need are sold separately in little packets, and they're all available. This is the underbody. These are the end fascias and platforms, and the handrails, and some of the different cholesterol windows fittings. This is a lot of the Grant line, different parts, your steps, and then the seats for inside the coach. And the trucks, they're beautiful trucks that they make, absolutely superb. And the different side walls and roofs that you can get. So I've got a few more kits there to build, but they're magnificent. So easy to put together. A real pleasure. That's a kit that you really will enjoy. And my friend Mike Condo in Denver is kind enough to send me some thin film decals for the RGS, so that I painted it the red colour. I've got the green coaches for Denver and Rio Grande Western. So the decals, that's number ON311. That's just a test shot of it on the layout at the moment, and with my RGS 20 loco. It's the only Rio Grande Southern loco I've got, and the reason that I've got it there is I'm building from Uray to Ridgeway, and an interchange here with the RGS. So I'll be able to have baseball games that they had excursions from Telluride to Uray, and a bit of fun that way with operations on the layout. I'm pretty happy with that. That's going to be a nice nice looking coach when I get it deckled. So I just wait for the paint to dry for a day or two. And I've got the other coaches, the greens, and I've got a full set of green DNRGW. So that's going to be a nice colour difference between the red and the Tuscan colour. I quite like that under the artificial lights. That's coming up pretty good. Got to glaze the windows yet. There's a question that I don't know. Up in the clerestory windows, were they some of them were green and other colours? I don't know. If somebody can answer me that, I'd appreciate what colours they had in the narrow gauge coaches. So that'd be great. So I'm having a bit of fun. Great kits. There's a couple of the other San Juan kits, the short cabooses I've put together and animated. So, it's coming along quite nice. I love this coach.